How to support your liver naturally. Beetroot, apple and carrot juice. Welcome back to Wellness Lab family. What if I told you that one of the most popular detox drinks isn't a special supplement or an expensive health product? It's a simple homemade juice made from beetroot, apple and carrot. But here's the surprising part. Your liver is already working around the clock to process and remove waste from your body. The goal isn't to clean your liver overnight. Instead, it's about supporting your body's natural processes with healthy habits and nutrient-rich foods. Today, let's take a closer look at what happens when you combine beetroot, apple, and carrot into one colorful drink. Beetroot, the colorful ingredient. First, let's talk about beetroot. Beetroot is known for its deep red color and impressive nutrient profile. It contains folate, potassium, and naturally occurring plant compounds called betalains, which give beets their vibrant appearance. Many people enjoy beetroot juice because it's a simple way to add more vegetables to their daily routine. The rich color alone makes this drink stand out, and beetroot has become a favorite ingredient in wellness-focused recipes around the world. Carrots, a nutrient-rich classic. Next comes carrots. Carrots are packed with beta-carotene, which the body can convert into vitamin A. They're also naturally sweet, making homemade juices more enjoyable without needing added sugar. Carrots have been a staple of healthy eating for generations. Their bright orange color comes from beneficial plant pigments that make them one of the most recognizable vegetables in the world. Adding carrots to this juice creates a smooth, balanced flavor while contributing valuable nutrients. Apple's natural sweetness. The third ingredient is apple. Apples bring natural sweetness and a refreshing taste that balances the earthy flavor of beetroot. They're one of the most popular fruits worldwide and are often used in fresh juices because they help create a pleasant, easy-to-drink flavor. The combination of apple, carrot, and beetroot creates a colorful blend that many people find both delicious and satisfying. What happens when you mix them together? When you combine beetroot, apple, and carrot, you're bringing together three nutrient-rich ingredients in a single glass. You get a drink that's colorful, naturally sweet, and packed with vitamins, minerals, and plant compounds from fruits and vegetables. Many people enjoy this juice as part of a balanced lifestyle because it makes it easier to increase the intake of nutrient-rich foods. The surprising part is that sometimes the simplest recipes are the ones people come back to again and again. Want to make this juice even more refreshing? Add a squeeze of lemon. Lemon adds a bright citrus flavor and provides vitamin C, making the drink taste even fresher. Many people enjoy adding lemon to beetroot, apple, and carrot juice because it balances the sweetness and gives the juice a vibrant kick. It's a simple addition, but it can completely transform the flavor of your drink. It's important to remember that no single juice can detox your liver or replace healthy lifestyle habits. Your liver already has its own natural filtering processes. Supporting overall wellness comes from consistent habits like eating a balanced diet, staying hydrated, getting enough sleep, and staying physically active. So, if you're looking for a refreshing and nutritious drink, beetroot, apple, and carrot juice can be a delicious addition to your routine. This is Wellness Lab family, bringing you simple wellness facts for a healthier lifestyle. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join our family for more wellness tips and nutrition facts. Thanks for watching.